Hello student, this is our chapter number 2, number system. In our previous class, we have discussed about the decimal number system and binary number system. In today's class, we are going to discuss about octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So let's start. The octal number system, OCT in short, consists of 8 digits. Like decimal number system consists of 10 digit and binary number system have 2 digits. Our octal number system have only 8 digit from 0 to 7 with the base 8. Total number of digits are 8, so the base of octal number system is 8. The concept of octal number system came in from the Native Americans, as they used to count numbers by using the space between their fingers rather than using their fingers. They don't use their fingers to count, but they use the gaps between our fingers. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 gaps between our fingers, so they use that gap to count the things. The procedure of octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary to decimal. Like we convert binary to decimal, same we convert octal to decimal. The only difference in the change of base. The only difference is change of base. The decimal have 10 base, binary have 2 base, and octal has 8 base. To convert any octal to decimal number, start multiplying the digits of the number from right hand side with the increasing power of 8, starting from 0, and finally calculate the sum of all the product. So here is the example number 1 in front of us, 345 base 8. So this number is in octal number system, so we have to convert into decimal. What we have to do, we have to multiply the 3 with 8 raised to the power 2, then 4 multiply 8 raised to the power 1, and 5 multiply 8 raised to the power 0. 5 on our unit digit place, so 8 multiply 0. The 4 is on the tens place, the 8 raised to the power 1, and 3 is on the hundred place, then 8 raised to the power 2. We go from backward. What we get? We get 192 plus 32 plus 5. The total of 192 plus 32 plus 5 is equal to 229 base 10. So we can say that 345 base 8 is equal to 229 base 10. That is the conversion of octal number system to decimal number system. Now 317 base 8. What we have to do? We have to convert it to the decimal number system. So 7 on the unit place, we have to multiply 8 raised to the power 0. Then 1 on the tens place, that we have to multiply 8 raised to the power 1. And 3 is on the hundred place, so we have to multiply 8 raised to the power 2. So the answer is 3 raised to the power 3 into 8 raised to the power 2 is equal to 192. 1 into 8 raised to the power 1 is equal to 8, and 7 into 8 raised to the power 0 is equal to 7. Then 192 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 207. Thus 307 base 8 means it is in octal number, and 207 base 10 it is in decimal number. So we can convert easily from octal number system to decimal number system. Now our second topic is hexadecimal number system. Hexa means 16. This number system consists of 16 digit. Hexa means 6 and decimal means 10, so total is 16. The number 0 to 9 and the letter A to F, where A to F represent decimal numbers from 10 to 15. 10 to 15 decimal number system represented by A to F in hexadecimal number. The base of this number system is 16. The total number digit is 16, so the base is also 16. This number system is also known as hex. This number is also called hex. The procedure of converting hexadecimal to decimal is similar to the method shown above. Like we did above, the same method for hexadecimal. So what we have to do? The only difference is the change of base. As the base in decimal is 10, in binary 2, in octal 8. So in hexadecimal the base is 16. To convert hexadecimal to decimal, multiply the number starting from right hand to side with an increasing power of 16. So we have to multiply with 16 in increasing order of its power from 0 and then calculate the sum of all the product. So what we have to do? 3b, 3 into 16 raised to the power 1, and b is on our 11th place on the decimal number system. So what we have to do? 11 into 16 raised to the power 0. What we have to do? 3 into 16 raised to the power 1 means 16. 16 into 3, 14. 16 raised to the power 1 means 16. 16 into 3 is equal to 48, plus 11 into 16 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. 11 into 1 is equal to 1. 48 plus 11 is equal to 59. Base 10. Thus we can say that 3b raised base 16 is equal to 59 base 10. It is a conversion of hexadecimal number to the decimal number system. Example 2, 4d2. 4 into 6 raised to the power 2 plus d into 16 raised to the power 1 plus 2 into 16 raised to the power 0. What we have to do? 16 into 16 is equal to 250. 6 into 4 is equal to 1024. Plus d is in which place? On the 14th place. 14 into 16 is equal to 208. Then 2 into 16 raised to the power 0. That is 1. 2 into 1. Then 2. 1024 plus 2008 plus 2. The total number of the total sum of 1024 plus 208 plus 2 is equal to 1234. So base is 10 because it is converted into decimal number system. So here we can convert the hexadecimal to the decimal number system. So that's all from this class, student. Hope you get it. If you have any doubt regarding these topics, you can ask me during class hours. Thank you, student. Thank you for listening.